Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Philips Norelco Shaver 4500, model AT83046, frustration-free packaging. If he pressured the shaver on his skin too hard, he got a bad red rash. Purchased this for Dad as a gift, after he scoured internet looking for the perfect replacement. His 14 years old Norelco had become dull, slow, and held very little charge before dying. He is so happy, and relieved that he finally gave in. He reports that he now has the closest, cleanest shave of his life, no cuts, or issues, and he finishes in a fraction of the time it took with his older model. Sturdy product, comfortable in the hand, gives a close shave without recharging for several days. If you don't need the fancy charging self-cleaning dock, then this one is the way to go. Pulls out hairs, and irritates skin in a way no other shaving device ever has for me. Horrible razor, terrible shave, brand new out of the box, dried it dry, and with lotion no different. It charged fast, and it is wet-free so he can take it into the shower. Be advised, this shaver does not include a stand, but fit the old stand perfectly. Be sure to follow the instructions, and wait a full 15 minutes, or longer after washing your face. Figured it was time to buy a new one by applying the 25 for replacement blades to the old one. Don't listen to these dopes that say it's slower, or doesn't shave the same, etc. When you're on the road, and the battery is dead, it was convenient, and easy to shave with the cord plugged in. Product head swivel heads broke up, damage, only had unit a month, threw it in the trash. This one is lighter in weight, gives a close, comfortable shave, and the battery really lasts. Was a birthday present for our son, and he really likes the feel and close shave he gets with it. It shaves close without pulling hairs. The battery lasts a long time between charges, and it has a warning light to let you know that the battery is getting low. The heads are designed to be impossible to reassemble if you even think about removing them to clean or replace. The parts that touch the face are not as smooth as the razor that it replaced. It works fine, but you have to press pretty hard and go over a few times to get a close shave. It feels quite lighter in hand than it looks, but it get the job done nicely. What a great shaver! Replaced a 15 years old Norelco, and it is greatly improved. Love it. You can literally feel this thing pulling on your whiskers, and then chopping them off. He can be very stubborn about trying new things, especially if they make weird noises, or if it would have pulled on his beard. This turned out to be a town cardboard box, with many labels, and big marker writing on it. The unit wasn't bruised up, but it had the old model number, again a concern about its newness. Most notable qualities of the Norelco is its whisper quietness, great rotary heads, and a fully enclosed design. To have a charging station sitting on the counter taking up valuable space is not good. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.